Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to take a ledger in Tally Prime. First, let's understand that ledgers are the backbone of your accounting system, tracking every financial transaction. To begin, open Tally Prime and navigate to the gateway of Tally. From there, select Chart of Accounts and then choose Ledgers. This is your starting point for creating and managing all your financial accounts with ease and precision. Once you are in the ledger creation screen, the next step is to input the essential details. Start by giving your ledger a unique and descriptive name, like cash account or sales income. Then, select the appropriate group from the list. This is crucial for accurate financial reporting. Finally, if you are setting up an existing account, remember to enter its opening balance to ensure your books are 100% accurate from day one. Beyond the basic information, Tally Prime offers several advanced options to tailor your ledgers. For instance, if you are creating a stock item ledger, ensure you enable inventory values are affected for proper stock tracking. You can also define specific credit periods for your customer or vendor ledgers, which helps manage your receivables and payables effectively. Don't forget to include mailing details and tax registration numbers for compliance, ensuring all your records are complete. After creating your ledgers, it's important to know how to manage them. You can easily view or modify any ledger by navigating back to the gateway of Tally, selecting Display More Reports, and then Account Books followed by Ledger. Here, you can access detailed transactions, make necessary alterations, or even delete a ledger if it's no longer needed. This flexibility ensures your accounting data remains current and precise at all times.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.